All praises to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Racha, Kodash. Um, the immigrants are here. The migrant caravan has arrived. We know what Trump thinks. Now let's find out what Lord thinks. This is Malachi 3 and 5. I will come to you in judgment. I will be quick to testify against those who practice divination, those who commit adultery, those who break promises, and those who exploit workers, widows, and orphans, who refuses to help the immigrant, and in this way show they do not fear me, says Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai, who rules over all. Exploit workers, widows, and orphans. Break promises, those are treaties. Adultery. There's countless. Divination. Man, that's America. It's lucky I'm a little sick still. Just getting over it. But let's take a look at this article. This important article. And this means more prophecies are coming to pass. It's not working for me. Alright, there it is. The migrant caravan has arrived. Here's what you need to know. So, we know what the Lord thinks about immigrants. They're here. A caravan of several thousand Central American migrants is heading towards the United States border, walking north through Mexico. We take a look at the journey in pictures. So let's look at these pictures right here. See, that's Jake and Jake. Those are soldiers, and the barbed wire and the barricades. That's just showing that they don't want us. I mean, I'm already here. They don't want no more of us. Too many over here. Too many. Look at that stretch of people. So let's find out what the Lord thinks. We already know that. We already know that. Alright. So, for the word 1616 doesn't show the actual word. So it's probably Gar. I could swear it's Gayar. But let's click on it. So I don't want to say anything, do anything. No, it says Gar. Let's look over here. So that your descendants will be strangers in the land, that thy seed, and this is Genesis 15 and 13. The Englishman's Concordance. Alright. That thy seed shall be a stranger in the land, and certain for will be strangers become your descendants. So this is just letting you know that that word, strong 1616, occurs in these scriptures, and it means will be strangers, shall be a stranger, will be strangers. in Genesis 23:4, Gar, Washab, Nakaya. Alright, so it keeps telling you it's strangers, and I'm just giving you different examples, right? So you can read them for yourself, right? The word origin is for sojourner, aliens, alien, foreigners, immigrants. There you go. Sojourners, strangers, and I think we have enough information. Once again, Malachi 3:5. I will come to you in judgment. I will be quick to testify against those who practice divination. So let's explore this. Oh man! All right. So now we got more scriptures. Now we're looking for on the immigrants. So look for the English one. Couldn't find that. There it is, the alien. Because I was looking for the English one and I said the alien, and I just told everybody what it was. So I was looking at the Hebrew words too. I couldn't catch up with my brain. So that's what it is. The alien, Gawar, from the root word Gawar, sojourn, dwell, afraid, stranger. Well, these people must be afraid now. They see big bad Trump over there. Yeah, right? Alien, sojourner, stranger. Alright. Outline of biblical usage. One sojourner, a temporary inhabitant, a newcomer lacking inherited rights. So these people don't have any inherited rights like me. I don't have any inherited rights, but I was born here. So, according to the United States Constitution, I am a legal citizen and I have inherited rights. But these people are not. I'm just giving you examples. So now we understand. And I'm letting the pictures and the words do the talking. Look at all these strangers, all these aliens, all these immigrants. What do you think Trump's going to do? Think he's going to fulfill Malachi 3:5? I think so. I think so. Yep, he's going to do it. Malachi 3:5, I will come to you in judgment. I will be quick to testify against those who practice divination, those who commit adultery, those who break promises, and those who exploit workers, widows, and orphans. That's your boy Trump right there. And the United States. Who refuses to help the immigrant? That's the United States right now. It's going to do that to these immigrants. I let Donald Trump. And by doing that, they're going to show us they do not fear the Lord Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. They do not fear this. They do not fear Yahweh. They don't fear Yahweh. You're supposed to fear Yahweh. Let me tell you why. Because I can tell you, and I'm also going to show you. The Lord is a man of war. I'll show you. from Exodus 3:15, but I'm doing this so I can show people that don't know what to do when you get on these sites. Just type in that. Man, it's Lord of War. See, it's Exodus 15:3. Exodus 15:3. The Lord is a man of war. The Lord is his name. That's why you should fear him. Do you think this dude's gonna fear him? What do you think he's gonna do? The first wave of migrant caravan that President Donald Trump has been warning about arrived at southern border Tuesday, setting the stage for what Trump views as a potentially dangerous confrontation. But what the migrants view as their chance to apply for asylum. Man, they don't listen. They think this dude is a good dude. They're gonna find the fuck out, man. These 2/3 are gonna find the fuck out. About to find the fuck out, man. Cause you do not fear Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. Oh man, I'm so glad this is gonna happen. I'm happy this is gonna happen to you motherfuckers, man. You're all gonna see, for reals, man, that this guy is the devil. Oh, no, that's for another time. That scripture's for when that really happens. But I'm not trying to throw this in your face. This is serious. I'm just a little excited because, the Spirit is dealing with me. I've been catching hell for like the past 2 weeks, man. I'm in a bad mood, but this is making me feel good. Like, I'm glad someone else is going to catch some. It sounds childish, man, but but it's necessary because here I am trying my best, and I'm still catching hell, man. Not too bad. My truck broke down. My key pass to work doesn't let me in, and it's an RFID fucking piece of shit. So they just turn off that signal, but they're fucking with me. Satan's been fucking with me. Alright, I'm a little upset. But this is making me feel good. Donald Trump is gonna fulfill Malachi 3:5, man. Oh shit. Damn. Because what's gonna happen when they get here? They're already here. So what's gonna happen? Riding on 9 buses with a Honduran flag flying out of the window of one of them, the group arrived in Tijuana after a month-long journey that saw them traverse multiple countries while enduring oppressive heat, torrential rains, and exhausting days-long walks. Shoot. We know what a migrant is. So don't try to say that these people aren't migrants, and don't try to say that these people are not Israelites. Since I'm saying it, oops. Where would it be? Let's just start the whole thing. It's about to expire right now, anyways. Alright. This is Deuteronomy 28:1. And it shall come to pass, if thou shalt hearken diligently unto the voice of Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, thy power, to observe and to do all his commandments which I command thee this day. Man, we can't do all his commandments, because the Lord has mercy on us. Which I command thee this day, that the Lord thy power will set thee on high above all nations of the earth. And I get to see all these things, man, because I'm telling you what's going to happen. And we'll make another part of this. This is going to cut out right now. So, shalom to the next part.